So just a reminder on a Chromebook, when you do Alt in the brackets, it will make your screen go about half the size. At that point, you can grab and drag your tabs and move them over so you can see both your tabs at the same time. I'm going to recommend in Google Slides to close that little panel there, and you might want to make this a little more narrow just so you can see things better. If you're not, you weren't okay with it, that's fine. So the title is going to be America's Castles, and subtitle, your name, and then add another slide. Overview. You're going to be talking about 4 castles. Now your 4 castles don't match my 4 castles, otherwise all you guys would be doing would be copying me. So you already did your research last week or yesterday. You already did your research on your 4 castles, so yours is going to look similar to this, just with different words. So I'm just putting an overview of what my castles are, and maybe put a nice little bold, put a bullet so you don't have to. We can go on with that. Add a new tab. Alright, so here's my information. I'm going to start with Beacon Towers. You're going to start with whatever one you started with. Now, I'm going to select this text, Control-C copy, or right-click copy. If I just paste it right now, this is a size 12. If I paste it right now, size 12, too small. Undo. Control, Shift, and the V key. Control, Shift, and the V key. So it's right here, Control, Shift, and the letter V as in Victor. So again, I've got this text highlighted. If I just do, sorry about that. Again, if I just paste it, it comes over with the size 11 font. I don't want that. If I can do Control, Shift, V, Control, Shift, V as in Victor, it comes over with the size 18, which was what was the default for this slideshow. So it came over with the 18, which was the default for this slideshow. That's good enough. So one more time, we're going to add another slide. And the next one is going to be Belvedere Castle. Again, I'm going to highlight everything I wrote about Belvedere Castle, copy, Control, Shift, V as in Victor to paste. And notice it comes over with a larger size font. So you're going to keep doing that for the rest of your cap. So I'm done typing my slides. I'm going to go ahead and maximize my slideshow again so I can see everything much better. And it's back to my slideshow. Alright, so I need a picture on each slide. Don't worry about the first 2. For right now, just go get pictures of each and every one of those castles. So again, insert image, search. Alright, so one thing I didn't ask you to do to start with is I didn't ask you to put a background theme on here. So what I want you to do now is you're going to click Explore. And what's going to happen is, because you've got pictures and text on here, Google is going to recommend some suggestions. Things you might like any one of these as your title slide. So just take a look through what it suggests. You don't have to stick with one of them, but take a look at what it suggests. The catch is, it's fixed it so these pictures are easy to view. So it's not hard to see. They've already fixed that for you. So just take your choice. And then go on to the next slide. Again, you pick. It's come up with some suggested templates. You get to decide which one you want. Go through each one. Again, as long as you're using one of their suggestions, it'll be visible and easy to read. That's all I care about. So go through each and every one of the slides and make sure you choose one that makes it visible and easy to read. So as long as every one of your slides has a picture and text is visible and easy to read, again, Google will take care of making sure it's visible for us. That's all you need to do. Go ahead and turn it in.